Since I started recording these videos, I try and improve with each and every video I do. And in today's video, I'm going to improve my lighting. We're going to go from this to this. But first, I want to say hi. My name is Carl, everybody's favorite ginger, and welcome to The Real Ginger Tech. Here, I like to do tips, tricks, reviews, and DIY projects. So one thing that I haven't been too happy with is the lighting of my videos. It's been okay. I've been working with some bulbs that I bought a ways back, actually for miniature painting, and I just kind of have been reflecting them off walls, try and get a good light source without hard lines, and it's worked for me. It's been a great intro for me, but I want to take it to the next level. I want to make the best videos that I can, and one of the ways I can do that, get better lighting. So we've actually got some lighting here. It is an LED panel. Brown, you can't tell, right? This is my first unboxing video, so hopefully it goes well. And I just realized I don't even have a knife. So I'm gonna have to find something. Oh, there we go, screwdriver. So we got these LED panels on Amazon, 2-pack. Comes with stands. And I'm hoping that this will bring a much better recording environment. I'll be able to get better picture quality. So let's get started. Let's have some fun. So this came in at about $150-ish. There, like I said, link down in the description. Check it out for yourself. It's not affiliate yet, but that's another thing I'm working on. And so I have not unboxed this yet. So you get a power brick, power cable. Hopefully that's long enough. And that's one thing that I liked about these is it's not requiring a battery. This came with that power brick. Some of the other ones I've seen online, they don't come with the batteries or the power bricks, so you have to buy that on top of what you've already got. So that's kind of a bonus for me on this. It also does come with some slides for over the lights to kind of soften things up. And this is a little bit bigger than I expected. Oh, actually, we got a couple different things here. Goodies. So in the box, power brick, light. Don't want to scratch up the desk, and user guide for how to turn on lights. We'll just put that down there. And then actually, it's got really good padding. That's kind of nice. Make sure it doesn't break on you on shipping. So this is a 576 LED light, and it comes with 2 of them for the $150 plus the stand. We'll get to that in a minute. It also has these barn doors to kind of help direct your lighting, and some of these clear semi-translucent slides to kind of help diffuse some of the light so you don't get any harsh lines. And I love peeling. I hope that makes it into the audio really well. It doesn't peel as nice as like when you get new electronics. But so I've got a clear one here from the looks of it. It also came with, judging from the side of it, an amber one. Just goes to show how much reading I did on this and how much preparation I did for the video. Yeah, so you get an amber, kind of like a gel to it. Kind of help change the lighting up a bit there. And then the light itself. 576 LEDs. Yeah, take it in. It's a lot of lights. One of the really nice features about this, aside from improving my videos, dimmable. So you actually have the ability to adjust the brightness. And so I'm recording in basically a bedroom. And so I don't want too much light to where it's overwhelming. And that's where this is going to come in pretty handy. I'll be able to fine tune it with the help of my friend Justin. And we'll be able to get it looking nice in here. And then just on off switch. Apparently you can get a different kind of power supply. I'm assuming that's for daisy chaining them together or something. But then you have just your standard plug-in right there. So yeah, so that's going to be nice. It does have little adjustment knobs so you can change it accordingly. You can tighten those down, get it bouncing off the walls, bouncing off the ceiling, depending on the look you're going for. And then it also does have the mount here. This will just go right onto the stand that we'll open up in a minute. This is really heavy duty build quality. I'm really surprised. It feels nice and hefty. Yeah, I think this is going to work out pretty well. And onto the stand. So this one's going to be a pretty simple, straightforward unboxing. And this got a little bit of weight to it, not too much. Have to see how it feels when it's fully extended and everything. So this is just kind of a, I'll make you clean that up later. Just kind of a standard tripod, essentially. Except it's got this like a ball joint or something on there. May even have a 1/4 thread. Yeah, I think that's 1/4 thread. But you don't need it with this because it actually has a set screw that'll help kind of lock it into place. Telescoping, so we can set it up to where it's almost touching the ceiling actually. So, but yeah, so overall pretty decent build quality. So before we actually get them set up for the lighting, I did want to go over just a few more things here. One, you can actually take these barn doors off if you don't like them. Just 4 screws in the corner pulls off the frame. And then finally, after, I don't know, 15, 20 hours of peeling off plastic off these things that cover, this is an actual amber. It is diffused, shiny on one side, matte on the other. And then this one also is diffused. They do kind of lock into place here with these little tabs right here. And so once it's kind of like what you'd see for mounting a shelf on a wall, just kind of locks in it on these little tabs. And there is a little slide up top there, just in case you're, in case you have to mount them a certain way just to get what you wanted done. So let's plug it in. Okay, we're all the way dimmed. I'm just here. Hey guys, let's get blinded. So just standard plug in, and we are on. Let's see some decent lighting there, and this is with just that standard diffuser. And this is minimum. This is like the same brightness as the bulbs I have now. See if we can't just, and slowly. Oh, that's bright. That's really bright. That's maxed out right there. Really mess with my video quality now. Oh, that's blinding. Okay, so yeah, they get bright. That's with the standard diffuser on there. I'm kind of curious. This seems like an odd color. Now, my brother is a lighting designer, and I'm sure he's like, oh no, that's probably a natural color that blah, blah, blah. He would know more about why this color was chosen than I would, but let's see kind of how that looks there. And I don't know if it matters gloss side out, gloss side in. Only one way to find out. You know, if I just read that user manual that probably tells me, like, make sure you put the gloss side in, then I would know a little better. So, okay, so even though it seems pretty dark as far as that stain goes, ooh, that gives a nice warm effect. Like, I live in Minnesota. It's been snowing all day today. Well, not all day, but it seems like all day. And it's just nasty out. This is nice. It's like a hot summer day, living on the beach, getting a tan. I could probably get a tan once this thing is maxed out. Oh, yeah, that's bright. That's bright. I think this is going to get us a long way. So, I'm going to go ahead and do, through the magic of editing, cut right here. And, oh, yeah, actually, before I do that, I'm getting the cameraman back there pointing, you know, put that on the stand. So to mount it to the stand, pretty simple. Just loosen up this. So drop it. First day we have it. Loosen this up right here. Drops right onto there. Maybe there we go. And then you can tighten it down. And it's got a little bit of a swivel to it, so you can kind of get, you know, little variety there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one unboxed off camera. Get them set up and see what the lighting looks like. So here it is. Got the 2 lights set up, kind of as high up as possible to try and bring down any shadows. Still got some shadow problems kind of over in this area. Need to work on the backlighting a little bit. But it's overall, I think it's so much better. It looks cleaner. Just to me, I think this is a step in the right direction for creating better videos. And that's kind of what I want to do right now. This is what I was using before. I had 2 of these. Still got one down over here, kind of trying to help with some of that backlighting. Really nice bulbs, really cheap canisters. Just clipped to our overhead camera mount. Check out the link in the video if you guys want to check out how we built that. These are just kind of clamped into place, and we were using the ceiling to kind of reflect the light to kind of, you know, get rid of any harsh shadows. So it's an option. I think it worked pretty well. I just wanted to take it, you know, a little bit further. So if anybody else is out there getting started with YouTube videos, not a bad way to go. I will leave a link to the light bulbs because I do like the bulbs themselves. They're just not quite bright enough. So if you have a smaller space or you need just some extra lighting, I think they'll work great. But anyways, I think I'm going to wrap it up here. Hope you guys liked the video. Tell me what you think. Do you like the lighting now? Did you like it more before? I want to hear your guys' input on this. Leave a comment down in the description below. Maybe hit me up over at Twitter, @RealGingerTech. Only got 3 subscribers or 3 followers right now. I need to up those numbers. Otherwise, I just kind of look like a weirdo. Anyways, subscribe, hit the like button if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't. Either way, let me know. See you guys next time.